Thanksgiving turkeys. Gobble gobble, let's get started.
All right, we're gonna start with the circle for the head. So we're gonna go like middle of the page, just slightly up. Remember, this is a cartoon looking turkey. It's not trying to be super realistic. So just a circle like that. Does not have to be perfect.
No.
At Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection, we go for
Fun.
That's right, we go for fun. All right, so next, Maddie, we're gonna do almost like an oval, a bigger circle, kind of like an oval, to represent the plump body of this turkey. Mine ended up being a circle. All right, so see what we have here? It almost looks like we're making a snowman, but we're not. It's gonna turn into a turkey.
Almost.
That's right. So we're gonna put on some wings, and these are just gonna be simple shapes that look like this, like J's almost. Okay, and then it doesn't matter where you did your wing, but try to come straight across so your wing is at the same spot. Okay, there. And as long as they're relatively close in size, it doesn't really matter if they're exact. Okay, so now we've got a head, a body, two wings. We need a face. Let's put on a face. So we're going to do simple, very simple eyes, just ovals filled in, the eyes. And I made one a little too big, so the good part about this is they're black, so we can just match the size. All right, next we're gonna put on a beak. And this is just a rounded line. It's gonna look like candy corn almost. That's exactly what it looks like, candy corn. It's like a rectangle with rounded corners and a little bit of a curve here. Not a rectangle, it's like a triangle with rounded corners. Anyways, off of the beak, we're gonna draw one of those, I don't even remember the name of that thing. What's that thing called?
I honestly know it as a gobbler.
We went through this last year. Yeah, we called...
Not last year, but when we did that turkey drawing.
The last time we did a turkey drawing, we went through the same exact question, and I think we agreed we'd call it a gobbler, even though we knew full well it's not called a gobbler. So I will,
whatever it's called.
Yeah, once I figure out the name of it, I'll put that on screen right in here somewhere. Okay, so we're gonna draw a gobbler, and it's gonna come down like this. It's just kind of wavy. It's just a little thing that comes off the side of the beak, and that's pretty much all we're gonna do for the face. Now, for the legs. For the legs, we are gonna make these super simple. So, line down, 2 lines down. And then we're gonna do like a lowercase W shape, but it's gonna have one extra hump on it. You wanna connect it. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3. I guess it's more like, not really like a W, it's more like a clover, like you're drawing a clover.
Yeah.
But you get what I'm saying about the lowercase w. Okay, so we're gonna do another 2 lines down, and we're gonna connect them the same way. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Wow, it's coming along.
Yeah.
Looking good. So next is the feathers. When turkeys raise their feathers, they have these. They actually look very beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
They have these big, I don't know, umbrella-like feathers behind themselves. Okay, so we're gonna wanna start our feathers down pretty low because they're pretty large. So we're gonna go from body out through the tip of the wing to the edge of the page. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So you're gonna wanna kind of match it up. And you're gonna wanna try to follow a similar path to the edge of the page. Good. Now our umbrella of feathers is gonna go all across the back.
Hey guys, if you have the chance, check out our festive fall playlist. It will be linked in the description below.
Okay, so each set of feathers is gonna have a curve and then another line that it connects back to the body. Okay, and we do want to have a central feather, so we have to be careful here. So I think doing this, and then this is going to tuck in behind the head. Okay, we'll act like there's a central feather behind the head. We imagine that coming out the other side. It's gonna come about the same distance out. Okay, you with me? Now it means we have 2 more swoops. We go about halfway. There's one there. Connect that back to the body. And then lastly, connect this line to this line. Cool. Look at these guys. They look cute.
Yeah.
Now, we're gonna do a few detail lines so we can add some nice color here. So it's gonna be a few swooping lines like these. And you're gonna try to stay the same distance away from the edge if you can. And then we're gonna do another line that mimics the shape. Cool. Now we just have thickening and coloring to do. These are really cool, Mads.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to go?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
3. One, two, three.
Gobble gobble. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. It's just around the corner, so hopefully you took a little bit of time and drew some cool Thanksgiving decorations with us.
Yeah.
Check out our Thanksgiving playlist. It's not an extremely long one, but we do have a few other Thanksgiving drawings on there. You should check those out. Make a thankful turkey and give that away to somebody. Pretty cool. We did those a few years back. Anyways, Betty, what should we say?
Until we
See you next time. Keep drawing. Stay awesome. Bye.